Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today we will unbox things that I ordered from Daraz. Are you all ready? Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And comment and tell me, do you all want more video like this? The first thing I ordered is a smartwatch. i8 Pro Max. Second time when I have unboxed it. You get the strap, the charger, and the device inside the box. I have used it for 3 weeks, and it's the best. This is the auto test. It is connected by Bluetooth and its app Wi-Fi. It has a lot of styles. The second thing is Ding Dong Bubble. I ordered from Daraz Mart. The seller sent me a free gift. Thanks. This is amazing! It's the end of this video. You can go now, but like, share, and subscribe, and comment for more. Till then, bye. Items link in description.